What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and today we're going to be testing one of the biggest city bug theories. So stay tuned, because this could get fiddly. First off, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I can find the release strap. One. And two. Okay. Oh. And look at that. We've got the Mishimoto Radiator. How good does that look? Oh gosh. Been excited to try this. Okay, so the dimensions are quite similar. Well, the closest to the Aygos that there is out there for off-the-shelf radiators. So apparently it just needs a bit of tweaking to get it to fit, and then it does. So that's what we're going to do. In the box we've also got a few other bits. We've got a nice leaflet and air freshener that comes with it. And also a bit of lube to make sure we don't go in dry. My gosh, it's so shiny. Wow. That looks sick. Alright, now we just need to put it in place, see how much room we have, and then take it from there, I guess. So let's just see how this... Oh my days. Basically just goes straight in. It's the right height, by the looks of it. I might even be able to do this today with no new hoses. Leave the middle one to the last. last one. Okay. Right, front support is off, so there's just two rubber mountings there for the radiator. So we only really need to drop this one side, and then it'll come down. Oh, still a bottom there. Right, put it from. Let's go back down and take it out. Alright, radiator's out. Here's a side-to-side comparison. One thing I noticed just now when I tried transferring the seat rubbers, or feet rubbers, is the ones on the Aygo are slightly wider than the Civic ones. So temporarily, I'm gonna stick something in to close the gap, and then I can find the mounting points on this bottom plate, make sure it lines up with the radiator hoses, and yeah. Just transferred the standard fan shroud on, had to cut that off and do a bit of fab work to make it fit, but it's on. I'm just going to put everything back on and bleed it. And there we have our Mishimoto Radiator fully installed. It's just bleeding at the minute. I lost some footage because my phone died. But yeah, it's in there. So the rumors are true. This is indeed a Civic radiator, and it does fit. Quite snug actually, slightly shorter. But the only thing to know is you have to get a funnel to top it up once it's in place. And I couldn't film this either, but the hoses were slightly too short, so I had to really like wrestle with them, top and bottom, to get them in. Hopefully I don't pop one. If I do, that'll be in a video soon to come. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram under Aygo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.